Welcome to K7S AI Trading Lab. This channel is created purely for educational and learning purposes. Our goal is to help traders, learners understand financial markets, trading concepts, and disciplined trading practices. Please note that we are not a SEBI registered advisors, and the content sharing on this channel should not be considered as financial or investment advice. At K7S AI Trading Lab, we focus on building market understanding, disciplined trading habits, risk management, and a balanced mindset. Trading is not just about profits, it is about discipline, patience, emotional control, maintaining both financial and personal well-being. Our mission is to help traders learn the market better, stay disciplined, stay healthy, work towards long-term stability. Thank you for being a part of K7S AI Trading Lab learning journey.